Alright, I'm going to show you how to fix your blinking NES problem. Now, anybody who owns an NES has the exact same problem. These cartridges refuse to work as soon as they are taken out of the control deck. This is due to wear and tear on the 72-pin connector on the back. Now, you can fix this with a very simple method, or you can replace the 72-pin in the back simply by going to one of these collector stores and buying it, and replacing it yourself or paying for them to replace it. But this method is simple and it's effective. Now, I already have Super Mario Bros. 2 installed in my NES as we speak. I will turn on the power and you will see that it works perfect. It's in great order and it works just fine. Now, the problem is taking out of the cartridge from its slot and trying to replace it with another cartridge. Take Super Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt. Classic game and a very fun one. Now, as you try to turn on the TV, it will start blinking, the red light, and the flashing screen. This can simply be fixed just by wiggling the little cartridge inside the slot very slightly until it gets some kind of resistance on the TV. You have to press the reset button a few times for it to actually work, but this overall works the best. Now, a lot of people blow on it, and I'm pretty sure that doesn't do too much harm to your circuit board, but hey, what the heck? It worked for a lot of people, should work for us now. It may take you a few tries, but if you're persistent, you should get some kind of reading on the TV eventually. Wiggle it a little more, back and forth, up and down. See? You already got a little bit of the screen already, and that looks pretty crazy. Now if you just press reset one more time, and there you go. You fixed your NES problem. This may take a few tries, but of course it's a trial and error method. You can always blow on it, but it might not work the right way. So, this is how you fix your NES blinking problem. This is Sputnik, signing out.